That's fine, don't worry.
Oh, baby, I love
Love
your
your
way.
way.
The holding is happening.
Whoa! When did whoa?
Luch is big boy now, bro.
Wait,
He's
is this
holding,
him? Is this him?
Oh,
Oh,
Oh my god.
Different.
Bro, what?
Same
He's
shit, different
he's
smell,
only
bro.
holding fat, bro.
different body, but same Luchas.
Dude, same shit, different smell, bro.
oh no.
Oh god.
Oh my god,
Oh,
keep it moving,
Oh,
bro.
keep it
dude,
moving.
keep it moving.
Ah, come here.
Dude, Kaka's cooking everywhere.
Dude, I'm
Okay,
here,
everywhere,
bro.
bro.
Oh, I didn't move, I didn't move.
Boys, that's me. Oh,
I didn't move. I didn't move.
Luch.
That's on Lucius, bro. That's on Lucius.
Bro, he was straight up marking the dude and he just jumped over him.
bro, I'm tall. I'm 6'2". 6'2" is not tall anymore.
Lewis-on? What?
Oh.
Oh. Oh, baby, I love. Oh my god. Your weight.
Every day. Yeah.
Oh god, not again.
Oh my day.
Fuck.
Oh yeah. I
Don't
bet
worry.
yeah.
I haven't touched the ball that much. That's why.
Wait, is
we're
this
not
the same
cooking.
team as before? No.
No.
No. Inside. Press
Yeah, I was pressing X. I
Oh.
was pressing X. I couldn't. I was trying.
Yeah, I know you are. Don't worry.
Come on, buddy. Alright, Luch, let's see
So
some of that
awesome.
holding, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I actually don't think I'm
Lucius, bro.
intimidated.
When you're saying holding, are you playing like Rob holding or what, bro?
For real, bro.
It's up to you.
Back.
Keep switching.
Good boy. Oh.
Bad boy. Bad boy.
Bro, what's that?
That's the kinkiest shit I've heard.
That's some cheeky stuff, bro. He said it well, bro.
See this man? Hold
That's
it.
all you, Luch.
Bro,
Hold
nice
it.
Hold it.
Holding, mate.
Bro, man, hold it, bro.
I dude, I don't think Kaka's playing captain. That's crazy.
I am. I moved it.
But it's only took 2 goals to concede before.
Okay,
Luch
die.
defend.
Nice.
Oh, nice. Good cut.
That's all
Press.
you
What are you doing? Dude.
Oh, pen.
Give me this pen, bro. You're giving me this pen, bro.
Oh!
What?
Oh, what
you know
the
what?
hell?
Take it. Hassan hasn't scored yet.
Okay, what direction? Okay.
Just go. It's any.
Oh,
yeah.
fuck's sake, bro.
What a save.
Oh, damn.
Wait, I'm
No.
coming.
Oh,
Boy,
I
boys, I needed the corner for the confidence.
Oh, never mind. There we go.
You would have
There we
scored
go.
the header instead.
Dude, is that Hassan's first goal striker, bro?
Yes, bro. Finally, bro.
Yes,
Thanks,
sir.
boss.
We'll take it.
I've been
See-
playmaking, bro. I've been hitting that deep, bro.
See, here's the thing. If I took the penalty, I would have scored, and Hassan would have never scored after all that.
Oh.
That's team captain over here.
Straight down the middle. Offside.
What are you doing?
Bro? What are you
Oh,
Bro.
What are you doing, bro?
Bro, what kind of Kevin De Bruyne are you talking about, bro?
Chelsea.
I'll show you Kevin De Bruyne. I'll show you Kevin right now.
Yeah?
Wolfsburg.
No, I wanted first.
Wolfsburg, cool, bro. Wolfsburg, Kevin De
Play
Bruyne.
inside.
Bro, please. Oh my fucking god, bro.
You're like,
Dude, this
the
is
thing is,
Chelsea,
you're
Kevin De
beating
Bruyne,
them,
bro.
but just
This is why I
just
get
beat
no
them.
service, bro. I'm like right there. This guy's like playing pirouette in
Dude, the
the.
only service
box,
Hassan
bro.
got was
Oh no.
Oh my
keep
god!
it.
Oh.
What?
The keeper
What?
gets into the goal.
I moved the keeper, bro.
Boys, I just need some time.
Shut up, bro.
But you've been playing for like 20 years. You played for like 10 years, bro. What time do you need? Oh my god.
What's that shit?
Dude, bro thought that we wouldn't notice that he called for that.
Yeah, bro. We saw that. Bro.
No.
Please let me touch the ball, please.
Yes, Nidhi.
Please.
I'm coming back, Nidhi.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my days, he's so bad.
Oh,
Yes.
fuck's sake.
Oh my god. See what happens
boys,
in the past?
boys, I made that play with my drive.
You're holding.
Midfield.
Dude, none of the strikers are involved in that goal, bro. Crazy.
Bro, I was literally there for the cross, and this guy tries to dribble in, bro.
This guy's doing
Boys,
too
I
much.
just need some time.
Suck my dick, bro.
I need to get used to these conditions.
What conditions, bro?
Dude, can you
These
keep people out of
conditions are not
captain,
playing
bro?
CDM.
I'm blood wolfing about it. Oh, bro. Are they just gonna slowly move on the pitch, just switching?
These Donnies are pissing me off.
Nice. Run.
Hassan, you get that gap. Hassan, you
Tell
get
them
that
what to do.
Nice.
Bro, that is
Oh
a
my
No service. No
days.
That
service.
is mad.
Oh
Bro, that was like
my
Messi against
days,
Netherlands. Dude,
Bro,
Oh,
I don't know how that. I don't even know how that got to me. Like it went like,
because I said hit middle, bro. That's why.
but like I ran a different line to where the ball went, bro.
Oh, he saved that. He got to it. Dude, what a
this
comeback.
is a
I
science
did.
game.
That was all me. That was all me.
Baba's on this game.
What about the guy who actually shot the goal? You did that as well?
It was a one. It was a
No,
one-on-one.
no,
So
bro,
not really.
relax, bro.
I tackled the ball off him.
What?
Oh no, nice.
Once.
Feet. I'll play this one.
Legit? Oh,
Okay.
You're on,
Nice.
you're on.
Beautiful.
You're
Beautiful. I'm back post.
No, shoot.
Oh.
Hat trick.
Oh.
Oh my
days,
god,
bro.
that's bad, bro. That's
Oh
really
my
bad.
days,
That's
bro.
really bad, bro. A bit rusty here, bro. A bit rusty.
You're lucky you've scored 2 goals, bro. You
Yeah,
can't touch
yeah.
it, but oh my
Are
days.
you getting used to your
Rusty.
conditions?
Yeah, I'm
Feet,
used.
feet.
I'm at rest.
Shoot, your girl shot.
Shoot! What?
Uncanny
What the
point.
fuck is going on?
I probably should have shot that.
Why does
Dude,
this time
pass.
keep turning around? Oh my god.
I will.
Oh,
It's not good.
oh my god.
It's like you're asking for it.
Safe.
Nice.
Oh, okay. Play a song, maybe.
I
Okay.
like
What's
that.
my run? What's your run?
Oh,
my god.
Oh,
this
he's
guy's
back,
useless.
bro. Boss, hit me.
Nice.
Right, inside to Nitty.
Catch.
Oh.
That was crazy. You're off balance and you shot that.
No, I have to finesse straight.
Oh my
so I
god.
thought I could.
Please, bro.
Yeah.
Crazy, bro.
Wait,
They got used to
were
the
we like
conditions,
3-0
bro.
down?
Asan and Nidhi were not playing well the past 2 games. Now they have.
Hey, I was on the leaderboard last 2 games, though. Just because I didn't score. I got 2 assists first game.
No, even I was. I was on the leaderboard. I was on the
Nah,
leaderboard as well.
Yeah,
but
Nidhi,
you-
you played after.
You were visibly
No,
ass.
I
Like
admit.
you were visibly
No,
ass.
I
Like
admit I was
just gonna
really
keep
shit.
moving.
I admit I was shit. Okay, only
Long
up.
ball.
Kaka, yeah, send it.
Oh my god. Long ball plus.
Chip.
Please shoot.
Please shoot. Oh, Lucha.
Shoot, bro.
oh my god, bro. There's no way.
You're crazy.
There's no way
How
we're
can
not.
this
We haven't
game?
scored right now.
I want my.
That's
Boys,
crazy.
I was just having a little bit of fun, right?
But it's only a 1 goal difference, bro. This is the first time.
No, but we should have still scored there. No, but to be honest, we should have still scored there.
bro.
No, but I wanted to assist one of you guys, the strikers. It's fine. I found a little bit of form, so I will do better now.
Okay, so
Crazy, bro. I'm not even on a 6.
What?
Yeah, I didn't score or assist any goals. And
I got a 6. I had a 7.7 last game. I didn't assist or score.
Yeah, because I generally haven't touched the ball. You probably touched the ball and made pass.
But I touched it once in the first
Dude,
half.
Asan, did I assist all of your goals? Oh no, I didn't assist the corner.
No.
Asan was complaining about no service, and then I started giving him.
Yeah,
like,
look what
everything.
happened.
Bro, it's because you started didn't play like an idiot, bro.
Boys, there's no fun if we're always serious.
Are you used to conditions now,
Dude,
Andy?
when have you been
Conditions.
serious, bro?
I am. No,
You
I
used to now?
am.
Yeah.
Vasa
Good
has
now?
accepted me, so I feel better.
Yeah, Vasa hit me. Yeah.
Down line? I'm gonna run down line.
What?
Oh my god. This guy.
Yeah.
Play inside. That's Anne.
What did this man say?
Asan.
I had Asian stuff speaking.
Alright, Vasi, this is a goal for you, bro.
Oh, keep a movement.
Oi, Kak, they're learning
Here
from you,
comes
bro.
the. Oh, where am I? Oh, I thought I was
Oh
Nidhi.
shit.
Kak, we're counting on you. Kak, this is all you.
I'll go.
Sure,
Oh, no.
guys. I literally
Alright.
I thought
We'll be
I was Nidhi because Nidhi.
No, let's actually play properly. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay.
Can you guys stop
Yeah, I was
wiggling
like-
your joystick? Like, what the fuck?
Be a
Wait,
good
wait,
boy.
then I want to wiggle my joystick. I want to wiggle.
Oh my god.
Oh, bro. Oh.
I wish we literally recorded that shit,
Dude,
bro.
this is
It's
recorded.
one of
What
the
do you
funniest.
Yes.
Oh, it's actually. It's
Bro,
actually.
Oh,
what is
oh my
Oh,
god.
no,
Try to get
sorry.
try to get Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, it's just
No,
low.
no, it's
It's
actually
just low
recorded.
shouting, bro. I
It's
can't hear
actually
anything. I can't hear anything. It's just low shouting.
Please, cock.
Okay, boys,
Wait,
we have
wait,
numbers.
Boston, wait.
No, back inside, back
Right,
inside.
back inside.
Oh, I was
You
closer.
should have listened to the export.
There were 4 people saying back inside. Those Kaku said cross, so you listen to Kaku.
No, Boston, I have the telepathic connection, bro.
Kaka asked for
There
it
was
first.
no connection there.
Yes,
We asked for a
holding.
second.
Your voice got up this connection.
Please stop joystick.
Now,
I tried to
Inside,
cross
don't
you.
cross.
Oh my
that's
god.
nice.
The goal's on.
That's good. Good shot. Sorry, shoot.
Oh!
Oh
My
there's no way.
No,
guys, he's not listening to conditions anymore.
no.
By the way.
Oh,
What the?
even the goalie was dumb, bro. Fuck.
Alright, boys,
Backside,
the
backside,
cussing
backside,
time.
backside.
Oh my god.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Dude, I
Yes.
need a cussing card.
Hey, my record's in danger, bro.
Stay on the wing.
Boys, I actually cannot score. I actually cannot
Bro,
score.
that was so bad. That was so bad, bro.
It's my left wing back card.
It's actually.
Yeah. That's why I'm taller.
All right.
Good crossing as
Next
well.
game, can you stick to your position and play left back?
Mate,
Hey! Bro, you took
Yeah,
that personally, bro.
Nice.
I need to go in. No, he's not passing, bro.
No, he's not gonna pass.
No.
Okay.
He trusts me. It's like
nice. Hikaka or me?
oh fuck! I went to hit you.
Ref!
Ref,
Oh, referee, that's awful. Wait, what?
ref, what?
Richard.
Hit me again?
Off in there. Oh, that's a shot.
Bro,
Bro, Buster,
Jonathan Thurston for the conversion.
I've scored my finesse shots today, bro. Allow it.
the thing is, I'm not even on a 10 match rating, you know? I'm on 9.5. Scored 4
That's
goals.
crazy. That's
That
crazy.
is crazy.
I'm gonna run.
Jack-
No, Richard,
I'm sending.
Beautiful. That's a goal. What a goal. What a goal.
I'm scoring that.
Oh,
Kill yourself, bro.
oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
I cook. Don't let this.
Ref pen.
Oh.
Ref pen.
No,
Oh my days. What do you mean no, bro?
bro, I was free, bro.
I didn't
We're not-
know.
He didn't. Wait, what?
Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry. We're only winning by one. We should probably, do another one. Wait, who joined? That Dylan?
What's up, mother? Dylan?
Oh,
Alright, Dylan, get in center back, brother. Get in center back, bro.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Center back, bro. I'm sorry.
Alright, at least it's out.
Wait. So
No, I think I'm retiring at Cam, bro. I've had a hopeless game.
Thanks, bro.
wait.
Sammy.
Send me. Oh, no.
What the
Oh.
actual donkey? Okay. No. Visionary.
Are you guys
Visionary.
playing 4-1-2-1?
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Wait, boys, can I take the pen? I need to score.
Give it to me, bro.
I have
Give
no-
it to me.
Bro,
Son, I
Give it to
Hey,
Kaka.
he wants the goal record. He wants the
Okay,
record.
okay. Oh, dude, he's on 5. He's on 5.
He's on fire.
No way, bro.
Feed Baba.
After not scoring the entire session.
He's on 5 now, boys.
He's on fire.
He's coming.
outrageous.
Crazy.
Son, I'll
Wait,
assist
no,
you.
no.
I'll assist you.
No, I need to play.
Bro, you're just a no one.
Then, if you asked last game, you could have had a chance at striker because Hassan hasn't scored, but now he's got 5. And I've scored like hat tricks before, so tough to get us out of
Yeah,
our role.
but
But play
It's
camp.
fine. Wait,
No,
Dylan. If you want, go CDM and because I'm
Wait,
playing
no,
like
no,
no,
CDM.
I'll go.
I'm playing CDM pretty much.
No, it's,
What? Why would Dylan
No,
want to go CDM?
Literally.
And then play left center mid.
no, it's okay. I can go CDF. I just want to score
boys,
goals. That's it, so I
did
can keep up my
keep a clean
record.
sheet. I did keep a clean sheet. I'm happy to go
Wait.
center
No,
CDM.
I know you're happy, but we're not happy.
We're not.
No,
happy
what did I
with
do
this,
wrong?
man.
What did I do wrong? I played well that game as
Mate,
well.
you bomb further up than the bloody striker at CDM.
Oh, no keeper.
He still can't score.
It's just not meant to be,
I'm
boys.
dying. This is a perfect game.
Wait, did Nitty not score steal?
Yes.
I don't know.
I can only-
Screw the other games. I'm
You
uploading
should
this
see
one
some of the
next.
misses, bro.
Kaka!
Asu!
Baba!
Bro, this guy came across like a demon, bro.
Dude, you
never
know
seen a
exactly
move
why I came across, bro.
I've never seen him move that fast before, bro.
Wait, that
When
guy's
it
got
comes-
a teddy bear head. How is he doing that?
When it comes to his goal record, Kappa will stop at nothing. Protect me.
Dude, do not get a stop. Do not get a stop. Waste time.
Boys, come on, tackle him. Okay,
Oh my god.
Yes!
Nitty.
Yes! What job? Yes! Yes!
Dude, the goal record stayed the same, bro.
Oh my god.
Nitty crossed that, bro. Nitty actually threw.
There's
Boys,
no
I was-
way, bro.
Dude, by the way, I just want to say, as there are 6 goals that game, I didn't score a single one.